Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this face mask for these days now that everybody needs to wear one with iron-on interface. I am by far a professional, and the last time I got my sewing machine out was about 25 years ago, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do these. So let's get started. So the first thing I did, I went ahead and cut out fabric. It's 9.5 by 9.5, and then I went and cut the iron-on interface, and then these I already ironed on. Once I ironed it on, I went ahead and on the top seam, over there, right there, on the top seam, on these two top seams, I hemmed it 3/8, and then after I was done on the top, I did it again. I did another 3/8, so you have that. On the sides, I only folded it once, so it's 3/8 one side. So the two tops is 2 times 3/8, and on the side is that. And then I'm going to go ahead and stitch it all around. This is how it looks like. So you could tell where you folded the seam twice because it's nicely finished. And then this is the side. So you want to keep it this way, and you want to turn it around to the right side. And now this is where you're going to make the pleats. So you're going to make 1, and then 2, and then 3. So the pleats are going to look like this. When you make the pleats, you're going to iron them so they stay in. Okay, so let's do that right now. So it looks like this after you iron it, the 3 pleats. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over, and then I'm going to fold this over. This right here is going to be folded like this to where that stitch is at on both sides. So it's going to look like this. So this is what we're doing. And when then I fold it over, I'm going to place my elastics right there and then stitch. Like I said, I'm not a professional, guys. Don't look at my curves. But and these, I did them to be 8.5 inches. This is where it gets difficult, guys, because not everybody has the same, shape head. So 8.5. Sometimes you might be doing a little bit smaller or bigger. It all depends. But because if you're going to use these to sew, you can't really measure people, and you can't really have them try them on if you sell her purpose. So I kept it at 8.5. And then to do it, I put the elastic right here. And those are my guys. So my elastic is up there like that. So then when I stitch it down to keep the pleats on this will look, it finishes like that. And then when you turn it over, you have your mask. So again, I'm going to go ahead and fold this to the side, and then put on my elastic like this. So when it flips over like that and you stitch, it's going to grab that. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is the final product. So like I said, you fold it, and then that's why they have another stitch here, and that's where you put your elastic. And I mean, if you guys have a better way of doing it, or if you guys are professional sewers, this is just a little idea of how I did mine. And like I said, this is not to prevent anything with coronavirus. It's just another extra precaution step. And like I said, you do it in any color, and it looks really, really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video how to make a face mask with fabric and iron-on interface. Till next video. Bye, guys.